I attempted to day trade top 100 altcoins for 1 week as a complete beginner. Yo, what's up everybody, it's Tropic here, back with a banger, and today I took $100 and tried to trade some altcoins for 1 week and make some money with the day trade. I did do top 100 altcoins for the most part in this video, and there were some experiences along the way and of course some lessons learned. If you guys didn't check out my day trading Bitcoin video, make sure you check that out. We were in the green on that one. If you want to see my journey and how that went as a beginner, still beginner here, I'm trying to day trade crypto. If you want to check that out, definitely check out the card. It will be right up here. There, I don't know. So you guys are going to see here in this first part, this is not even the start of the challenge. I already made some mistakes, and well, it wasn't even my fault. All right, what happened was the market took a big dip and kind of lost that $100. Didn't really lose it. I didn't sell anything. I'm still actually holding on to some of it at this current point in time because they were a little bit of a bubble here. Some of these altcoins that I was a little bit too bullish on that were on Coinbase Pro, namely Aave and SNX. You're gonna see where I did buy Aave for $43, SNX for $34, and Ren for $24. Absolutely terrible ideas. Very beginning, you notice I sold Bitcoin Cash for $27. That is a $27 gain because I did buy $100 worth of that a couple months ago when I did do a video buying $100 of altcoins every day for a week. And that was a really fun challenge, and eventually finally sold it. I did need some money for this particular challenge, so it definitely took a $27 gain, 27% return. So all these trades here that you're going to see with the Ren, the SNX, the Aave, these beginning ones, they are not part of the challenge. I'm just showing you guys because I did attempted to start this challenge and then everything kind of went way down, took a big dip, and we're gonna head to day number one. Day number one, Monday, February 22nd. First buy is going to be Algo for $50.25. The next is going to be some more Aave at a lower price for $35.17. So guys, I didn't actually realize this until now, but apparently I don't know how to add, and I bought a $37 worth of SNX, which puts us about $20 over budget, but that's okay because I ran into a couple more problems. Day number two turned out to be Wednesday, February 24th. Disclaimer, 1 week, it does not mean 1 week consecutively. So you will see that all of our orders did go through, but I'm going to be selling Algo for a $10 gain, or at least putting an order out there for it. We'll see if it gets filled, but we're going to try to get a $10 gain here by selling it at $60. And then I just threw this in there for kicks and grins. I threw Ren out there for a sell order. This one's still out there because Ren is not going to $2 at any time soon. And this was the one I bought way too high at the beginning of the video, so that order is still out there to this day. You can see Aave is currently at $370, and then I put a sell order out there for $415, and I also put a sell order out for SNX for $41. In day three, you can see what trades are still out there, or sell orders are, and what aren't. And the ones that did go through was SNX, Algo, and Aave. So the total for those, so we made $4 off of SNX, $6 off of Aave, and $10 from Algo. So that is going to put our total profit right now at $20. So at this point in time, I go over to the Voyager app, and this was a little bit some time later. This was now in March because the market was just going sideways and it was going a little more down, and I was going to try to sell those other things I had, but this didn't quite work out. So we're going to be starting fresh with another $100 over here, not 137 or 120, but $100. So I know technically it should be 120 because we had that $20 profit, but I went in again on the Voyager app, which is $100. So our very first purchase here is going to be Avalanche for $26, Cardano at $28, and I also have some Litecoin for around $45, which will wrap up our total. Actually, we do have a little bit of money left, and that will be tied up in VeChain for about $12. Day number four, time to see what our assets did in day number three. We got VeChain, Avalanche, Litecoin, and Cardano. What is that Litecoin for? $4. There's no way we like $4. How? What in the world did that even happen? So you're going to see here on the orders that I did sell Litecoin for about a $4 profit and VeChain for a $1 profit. And I also bought Basic Attention token and VGX, which I'll tell you right now is a complete failure, but I did buy those for about 15 and 14 respectively. The buy and sells, like, it's the timing's weird. We're actually going to be trying to buy Polkadot, and this is going to be a $52 order, and this is basically kind of going to replace our Litecoin in a sense. I'm also going to go for Dogecoin, but our first order was denied because the order has to be over $10. So then I ended up selling my basic attention token for a little over $15 so we could buy that Doge. So it did work out, and then we bought $22 worth of Dogecoin. So we sold basic attention token for a 20-cent profit, by the way. Day number 5, we got a couple more trades that went down. Actually, we had no trades. Day number 5, we got to take a look at what the portfolio is looking like. We are up $3 on DOT, 33 cents on Cardano, and then we're down on VGX and Dogecoin. So we're going to actually be selling Polkadot and trying to get into Uniswap, and then you're going to see Avalanche. Unfortunately, went all the way up to $31, so that could have been a decent gain for us if we held on to that, but you know, it is what it is. So day number 6, we're going to look at our final numbers and add up the total to see how much we made from this day trading video and if it did better than us day trading Bitcoin. So right now, the current numbers for if we were to sell these last few assets, we'd be down 10 cents basically for Cardano, 22 cents for Uniswap, $2 on Dogecoin, and $1.30 on VGX, which is actually currently on, as of March 21st, down like $3. So our total here. So our total profit for this video, if my calculations are correct, is about $27.50. Now, if we want to include those final ones that we would sell, which was about $3.30 in the negative loss, basically, if we were to sell that, that would put us down to $24.20. So that'd be a 24% return. So 20 bucks made on Coinbase were actually pretty huge for the video. Of course, it didn't quite work out in Coinbase Pro. I had to move over to Voyager, and then the market kind of sucked for a little while. But Algo actually turned out to be a big one. That was the biggest one of this video. It was a $10 gain. So like I said in the Bitcoin video, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a crypto advisor. I just try to make money online and see whether it's worth your time or not. And I definitely believe crypto is worth your time investing in. Day trading, maybe not so much, but hey, I did make 27% return, which isn't too shabby. I know crypto gains can be a lot higher if you take a little bit more risk on some of the smaller altcoins, the small market cap altcoins, and ones that are on different exchanges that are not you know, the big ones like Coinbase Pro or Voyager or anything like that. Binance has some, KuCoin has some as well. There's a lot of really nice altcoins on there that are popping off. No sponsorship of affiliate, but CoinMarketCap is a great way just to kind of look through assets and cryptos and just kind of do some research about them. They give a description about what it does, gives you links to like their Reddit, their Twitter, all sorts of crazy stuff for each crypto, and they have like every crypto imaginable on their thing, and it shows, you know, gains where there's some, you know, crap coins that are going up 3,000% in a week, and of course, you know, they're just gonna die, but you might make some money if you put a little money into there. But I mean, I don't know, I've never tried that. I don't know if I want to try that, but if you guys want me to try that, I will definitely do that. Kind of doubting I would do too well there, but I mean, hey, if somebody got in at around 200%, you know, in the green, and then it goes all the way up to like 2,000, that would be kind of dope. But it'd be hard to do because you have to be very, very attention based. You gotta know exactly what's going on. For me, it's really hard to pay attention to everything or what exactly is going on in the market. I'm not always, you know, by my computer, by my phone, whatever, and a lot of other things to do at the moment right now. Hopefully that'll change in the future where I can do a little more of this stuff full time, which I'm definitely looking forward to do. That should be coming up in the summer, man. If I can get a couple things going on, summertime will be my time to shine. So if you guys did enjoy it, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.